Introducing the Grabner Instruments Miniflash FPA, an autosampler designed for use with the FP Vision and the FPH Vision. FPA is a standalone snap-on accessory that transforms any Vision Series flashpoint analyzer into a 12-sample position laboratory. An anchor bar and 2 dowel pins securely fasten your analyzer to the autosampler's deck. Two cutouts in the back of the analyzer will accept the anchor bar. Slide the analyzer into the bar and then lower the front of the analyzer onto the dowel pins. Now you will make your power and communication connections. A lightweight 24-volt DC switch mode power supply is delivered with every autosampler. Connect the power supply to the back panel. Next, connect the USB communication cable between the autosampler and the analyzer. Finally, connect the mains voltage power to the back of the analyzer. Note the cooling ports for the heat exchanger inside of the cabinet. A red illuminated LED on the front panel indicates power connection. Turn on the analyzer and the FPA is auto-detected. The LED is now illuminated in green. Once the analyzer has successfully booted, playlist templates will be loaded into the FPV. The autosampler will now initialize and run a series of self-tests. After initialization, it's time to load your samples. Pressing the eject button will unlock the sample drawer. Slide the drawer open and you can now remove the carousel to fill samples. A fully loaded carousel only weighs about 4.2 kilograms or 9 pounds, making it easy to move back and forth between the bench and the drawer. Using the sample cup fork, remove the assembly from the carousel. Each position is numbered for sample identification. Remove the lid, drop in the magnetic stirring bar, and fill the cup to the line with your sample. Replace the lid, insert the assembly back into the carousel with the sample cup fork, place the carousel loaded with samples back into the sample drawer. Close the sample drawer firmly. From the measurement menu, you can now select your playlist template. Change the position for your sample, and also change the sample name, either through the keyboard on the interface or a connected keyboard. You can also program a sample position to be skipped. Scrolling to the bottom of the measurement menu, you can program the number of cycles for the playlist to run, or program it to run endlessly. Once the playlist is configured, you can now start measurement of the programmed sample positions. The analyzer will now regulate to the initial temperature of the first measurement. The carousel now rotates to the first programmed position. FPA selects and removes the first sample cup. The FPA will now place the selected sample cup assembly onto the sample tray of the analyzer. Next, the sample lid is removed. Finally, the sample tray retracts, bringing the sample into the analyzer, keeping the measurement isolated from the operator. The flashpoint measurement will now begin. Once the flashpoint has been reached, the analyzer will cool the sample down, preparing for the next measurement. When the measurement playlist has finished, you can review all results from the Result Overview menu. Details of the measurement can also be found, exported to LIMS, USB, or viewed in Cockpit PC software. We hope you've enjoyed this brief demonstration of the new Grabner Instruments FPA Autosampler. For more information, please contact your Grabner Instruments Regional Sales Manager or representative, and don't forget to visit our websites. Thank you.